Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the additional we have here the additional of Wednesday, July the 6th, 2022. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, it called Cyber block. Yes, we have a cyber block with 1 star and one binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. And by the way, I'm also not interested in this letter Sudoku because there are more than one here. I see here 3 identical letters and 2 ends. So the there are several solutions for this one, but it will take me more than an hour to solve. So I'm not, and sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's unsolvable. Last time I have solved this one, letter Sudoku, unsolvable. Yes. Anyway, let me continue with the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 4809. Before I start, I always count on printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. Interesting. 99. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So here cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay, 4. Then, 1 and 2. Okay. And now, 99. I'm thinking. 1. 8, 6. I'm thinking. 4. 4. Yeah. 2. 8. 9. 1. 5. 5 and 7. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and 5 in the last row. So no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9. It goes there. Wait, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes and there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 1. 1 box left in the last row for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this row for numbers 1, the 2. The 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. You see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Then. Let me see. 2. Okay. I cannot continue with the 2. Now we have a 9 there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. The 9 in this row. The 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. All right. Yeah. 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 and the 7 are left. Can I fill this yet? No. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. All right. 8, 8. 8. 3 missing number, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, third row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. We see an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. All right. Okay. Then 2 2. How about let me see 4 3 7 and a 3. 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers in the third column are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 4 and the 5. I remember 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 in the first column. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Okay, now we have 3 missing numbers here. I see here the 3, the 6, and the 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Well, here we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be here. So 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. All right. So here should be the 6 and the 7. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 7, the 8. Oh, sorry. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there, here or there. We see here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. All right. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, is this a 3 stars? Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 3 puzzles. The binary, the tectonic, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.